welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my eyebrows. I get asked a lot what products I use on my eyebrows and how I shape them and everything, so I figured I would just film a video and show you guys how I actually do my eyebrows, because most of the time when I do tutorials I do my eyebrows off camera just because it takes a while for me to do my eyebrows. My eyebrows are very light and they have a lot of sparse spaces in between, so I really have to really go in there and shape my eyebrows. So I'm going to be showing you that. So you want to see how I do my eyebrows, then just keep on watching. So as you all can see, I already have my foundation and concealer. I already set my face. So I'm going to go ahead and start with my eyebrows. As you can see, my eyebrows are very light and you kind of can't really see them. So for my eyebrows, what I like to do, I use two products and they're both by Anastasia. I use the brow definer in the shade chocolate, and I use the brow wiz in the same shade chocolate. So I'm going to zoom you guys in so you guys can really see what I'm doing. So now you can see real close. Like I said, my eyebrows are, first of all, they're thin and they're real sparse and real light. So I like to start with the brow wiz, which is the thinner brow pencil by Anastasia. And what I like to do, I like to do this because this is where it guides me. So it's here, here, and then like this. So what I like to do is just put my pencil right here, mark it, and then right here I mark it, and then on the end I mark it. That way it can really show me where I want to shape my brow. So once again, here, here, and here. I know you can't really see it on camera, but right now I can see it. So then what I like to do is just trace that. So I'm going to start in the middle. You want to start real light-handed. So I'm going to start in the inner part and just kind of flicker the pencil real light and just trace under your brow. Just like that. You see the difference? I don't know if you can. So now I'm going to start on the top and do the same thing. Another thing that I want to mention is I feel that it's easier for me to do my eyebrows when they are freshly waxed, or you can plug them, whatever you like. But I feel like it's easier to shape them and to fill them in when they're waxed and you don't have a lot of hairs around it. It's just easier. So as you can see, that is the shape that I always do. So now I'm going to go ahead and do this eyebrow. And I do the same thing. I'm just tracing under my eyebrow. I do have one eyebrow different than the other one, but I try to match them as close as I can. It doesn't always come out exactly the same, but I don't really mind because I know my eyebrow is different than the other one. Okay, so now that I shaped both of my eyebrows, I'm gonna move on to the brow definer. And the brow definer is the one that looks kind of like a triangular shape. So now what I like to do with this is I like to fill, I want to start from here, and all this I want to fill it in, but I like to kind of just flicker my pencil. And then I also like to take the spoolie, which is a little brush, and just brush through my hairs. This is really going to help all the product blend in and distribute it all over the eyebrow. So as you can see right here, I still need a little bit more product, so I'll just go ahead and add some more. So I'm going to move to the other eyebrow and do the same thing. Okay, so now that I have that done, I'm going to move back to the Brow Wiz, which is the thinner pencil. And I'm going to start right here, making like little hairs right here. Just make like little strokes. And just fill that in. As you can see, this part of the eyebrow looks a little bit darker and this one looks a little bit lighter. That's how you want it to look. I mean, that's how I like it. So if you like it real dark, I mean, you can go ahead and make it dark. And then once again, take the spoolie and just run it through here, because I don't want that line that I made for it to show. So I just like to run my spoolie so I can diffuse the product. So then I just like to run it all over my eyebrow. So now that I have my eyebrows already shaped and filled in, I like to go in with a brow gel, and this is really going to set your eyebrows in place and they won't go anywhere, and really set that product into your eyebrows. So I like to use the NYX Control Freak. This is a very affordable brow gel. I believe it's around $6. So I've been using this one and I really like it. So I'm going to go ahead and just brush my eyebrow hairs in an upward motion. And then once I'm getting to this part, just kind of like shape them the way your eyebrows grow. So in the front they grow upwards, and then here they'll just go like this way, if you know what I mean. And then do the same to the other one. You can also use a tinted brow gel. I use it sometimes when I do want eyebrows to look more dark, but usually I'll just use this clear one. There they are, my eyebrows, if you can see the difference. So now I'm going to be finishing the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back. So I'm back and I already finished the rest of my makeup. If you guys want to see a look on this video, I did use the NUDIE PATOODIE eyeshadow palette, and I did a review swatches and this makeup look. So if you guys want to see that, I'll leave that in the description box below so you guys can go and see it. So yeah, I already finished the rest of my makeup. This is how my eyebrows look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and before you leave, please make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and give it a thumbs up if this video was helpful. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I will see you guys soon. Bye.